20 days ago, we present a vision, a promise, a strive for the internet computer, 100% on-chain and sovereign, free from decentralized servers. We also talk about a future where control finally is back to the developers. Today, that promise is not longer a concept on a pitch deck. It's code. It's a working tool, and we build it in just 20 days, just like magic.
You're a wizard, Harry.
It's your on-chain command center. We have stripped away the complexity. Here, the task of creating and deploying your own payment smart contract comes down to this. Use a few clicks. In the demo you're about to see, we will show you the power of a truly decentralized payment stack.
Hello, this is ckPayments, and what we've been working this last 20 days for the phase 2 of the World Leech. As you can see, we are doing a login into our dashboard where we already have several configurations. Our dashboard is made so that we can deploy smart contracts, and each user has smart contracts. These smart contracts can store token data. As you can see there's some UI for it so that you can store token data. There's modal configuration, which gives you like the styling of the colors of the logo or the name and info that you want to appear in your SDK when you are going to pay. All of these colors and the styling that we are setting right here, they are completely fetched from the canister, from the smart contract that the user deploys, so that he can use this canister in his SDK, right, as the source of truth or as his store method. You can see the configuration. We have a product already set up because we set up a page where we can test all of this, right? And we aggregated and we added the Rugi token, which is the token which we are going to use to test. As you can see here, we already integrated or SDK into this page. You're going to have access to this repo also, so that you can see the code of this page and how we integrated our SDK. We created a channel for the World Leech, and you will see our SDK in action in a bit. You see the SDK, all that's coming from the SDK, the wallet, everything is being fetched from our SDK. We have 700 Ruggies, and as you can see, it's the same product that we already did, right? So we are gonna see that we are gonna do the payment now, and the channel is gonna be created, and our wallet is gonna receive the 100 Ruggie, right? So yeah, we just wait a little bit. We got confirmation that the channel is being created, which means the payment went through, right? And we can see that if we refresh our wallet, which this wallet, we can see that we got like 99 Rugi, which is about 100 Rugi, right? But the fee and all of that. But this is the product that we created in our canister that is being used in the SDK, right? So this is the beauty of ckPayment, right? Everybody can actually have their own canister and their own wallet. They can set up the token that they like. They can set up products. They can set up subscriptions. For the next phase, we're going to work on discounts, subscriptions, and a lot more, like NPM installation for SDK. Okay, so this is how we're integrating our SDK in the page, right? We can see that we have a payment service. We have the logic, and in this payment service, we basically set up the canister ID of our SDK that we set up in our dashboard. And yeah, basically it's really easy to set up. We have repositories also with how we set up this. There's the NPM installation that is coming on phase 3, which we're also working on that. But right now we are still working on integrations with the SDK on the JavaScript, right? Injectment. We can see that we are calling the one password channel payment, which is from our payment service that basically makes use of the SDK, right? This is what's beautiful about ckPayment. Easily integrated. And yeah, we will provide repos, and we will provide the canister and the example app.